Back here with another YouTube video. If you guys are not new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, make sure you like the video, make sure you comment down below. If you guys don't know me, I'm Raymond, and it is lit every single day, bro. But seriously, it's gonna get lit someday. But today I'm gonna be reviewing a toy. Well, actually not a toy, something bad. Okay, first I'm gonna show you the first thing that you need. We got keys. You'll see in a minute why we have keys. Because we also have this. These handcuffs. These are real. No, not fake. They're actually real. So I do not whatever, I don't know, to be playing with these. Don't let other kids do them. Because they don't know what they're going to be doing. They can probably lock themselves and lose the keys. They can never get out, but like getting like a hammer or something. I don't know, but yeah. I'm gonna review them. So yeah. You're right. Ow. Ah. Ow. Finally wants to open. Whoops. Hold on. It's gonna hurt. Alright, now we got that one in. Ah! I'm in jail. Help me. Ah! Let me out, please. I've been very bad. Ah! See, okay, here's the thing. You can't open them. But unless if you have the keys to this, right? Okay. Which I do. But they're right over here. Oh yeah, here's the key. I'm gonna put it in. Like so. See, I got one hand out. So now I'm gonna get the other hand out. And see, I'm using the same key. Wait, hold on. So I'm using the same key again. We're gonna put it in. Like so. And open it, and for free. So yeah. Yeah, so yeah, these are the handcuffs. And you think I bought these? No, they were already here. My dad found them. So yeah, he found them in his old collection of things. And he gave me this, and I was like, real handcuffs. And I was like about to ask my family for real handcuffs, but I didn't need to. Wow. So yeah, that's kind of funny. But I was about to ask my family at night. That's funny. So yeah, I got this. I really got these yesterday for my dad. He gave it to me. So yeah, these are the handcuffs. I have a, a question about you guys. Tell me in the comment section if I should do a video 24-hour challenge with my sister. So tell me if I should do one of those 24-hour challenge with my sister. I'm gonna like let her I'm gonna be like this when she comes up to me. I'm gonna do this. Hey, I'm gonna have myself in one already, but I'm gonna say, oh, hey, Raylene, can you see this? These are cool, right? And I'm gonna you wanna see them open? And then she's probably gonna say, yeah. I'm gonna hide the camera somewhere, like on top of the table somewhere. I don't know, and get and let her touch it around here, like pull it like this, and then get out. I'm so bad, brother. I don't care. It's for the video. So yeah, and I'm gonna be hiding the key. I'm gonna actually have them on me and let my sister Raina find the key. So yeah, I'm gonna let her have some fun. I might give her a camera. I might give her my phone and let her look. I'm gonna give her my phone and let her look, and we're gonna be doing some things together. We're gonna have breakfast together. We're gonna eat, first of all, we're gonna eat cereal though, because we can't make nothing now. But yeah, we're gonna do it. We're gonna have fun and see what we do. We have to like hook ourselves really tight, and since our hands are little, I'm gonna have to go more in like this. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but it's alright. I'll see if I can do it. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Whoa. So yeah, I'm gonna get her. She didn't. She did a prank on me. She didn't get it on camera. She got me with a fake spider. Not happy. Not happy. And I never got her back, so I'm gonna get her back tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Oh shoot. Peace. Wait, hold on. We got that. I took a picture. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Peace.